know anything about this one?
There's supposed to be collectibles at it. So who knows what? That could be anything. Could be rider stuff. Could be Funko Pop.
Yeah.
Could be. Depends what they think is collectible.
Yeah.
So I would just park in front of it.
Sure.
Because they're not going anywhere. So. Yeah, perfect. Right for the fire hydrant. Don't knock their pole over there. That's good.
Okay, let's check it out.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, how are you guys?
Good, you?
Not so bad, thank you.
Rough Rider stuff.
Oh, what's in here? Like a crow to the shiny stuff.
Do that.
Bow tie.
Silk.
Nice. Do you need a bow tie?
Mm,
You could have worn one today.
yeah.
Yeah, that would look so
Could've.
good. Yeah. Glasses. Oh, what's this? Oh, your favorite.
Red musk. No thanks.
I'll put that on when I'm mad at you.
Thanks.
Oh, got it.
You're a very kind person.
You're welcome. Don't want to miss those deals. Well, I don't think you could have picked a better day. It's
We love it.
beautiful.
When we first started planning this way back when and thinking this would be our date, it was going to be 11 and rain. So we are so lucky. It just couldn't be better.
Yeah, it's gorgeous
Perfect.
out today.
What did it?
21.
Yeah. I think that's modern, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks modern to me.
This is pretty. It's mimicking the old, but it's not adding sugar, but it's pretty though. Oh, just about for it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Have a good day.
You too.
See ya.
Yeah. Okay. Is this Lockwood?
Sorry.
Way off in the left lane there. Okay. So
Well,
we
Lockwood goes
are pretty much almost there.
Okay.
Should be straight ahead here. Like right there.
Okay. Oh, right. Yeah. That is quite the sales sign. Moving sale. Oh, good. Oh, there's that old sewing machine. That's a good sign.
Okay.
Today only. Hi.
Make a friend.
I didn't see him. I just opened the door and he was like right there.
Right there?
Like he almost walked right into the truck. That's why he had to stop. It's like, oops, hi. Yeah, look at that sign. That's
Yeah,
great.
that is a big one.
Yeah. Yeah. $20.
$20?
Yeah. Oh, look at that little guy. Swings out. Yeah. That's these
Yeah, we'll grab that.
yeah. Hi. We're just gonna look around more, but we'll take this.
Okay.
at this coffee table.
Oh.
It's nice.
Somebody, yeah, that's, oh, this is cool.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Like a planter
It's metal.
box.
Yeah. It's really heavy. Here, you carry it. Then you'll know what it's like
great.
to carry the heavy stuff.
Please.
Oh, it's somebody painted this to match. That's nice. Yeah, this matches the table.
Oh yeah,
Somebody
that's
did.
right. It totally does.
Yeah.
You like my work?
Yeah, it's nice. It looks good. Oh, look at this big old.
The original Google.
Yeah, isn't it though? That's funny.
Oh yeah, Google 1.0.
Yeah, when the internet goes down, there you go.
Need that, a set of encyclopedias, and you're good.
I wonder if modern children even know how to use one. How much are you asking for this?
Complete.
Yeah.
So that's how you work. It's all different sections. You have to collect them all.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The mail order type book.
Neat. We'll think about that.
Okay.
You're the money guy.
It's nice. She likes that teal color. She has a few things that are that color.
Oh, yeah.
Some more there and then there.
Yeah.
Harley Davidson pipe.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Goes.
On the window. Desk is kind of cute.
I wondered about you reselling it. Maybe
Yeah,
a quick coat.
looks like it's a little rough. See how there's nail hole, like that
Yeah.
fronts have been nailed on again already. So it's like may have had too hard of a life. And they're just plywood.
It is. Yeah, it's just plywood.
So no.
That's the whole main thing. We were gonna. She was gonna work on it. We never did. So
I have many things like that where it's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get to that, and then
yeah, we're
Nope.
moving into an apartment. So
oh well, there you go. Yeah, it won't be much
$5 you
painting.
can take it.
$5. I don't know. That's. I mean, the price is good,
Can't lose on that.
but I just don't.
We don't need it.
No, I don't. It's good price, but
What are you guys asking for that?
That's a heavy unit. It's a workout and a half.
It is. I've been carrying it around for 10 minutes. Well, I could also give my arms a break. $10?
about 10 for that in the book. Well, come back at me then.
Gotta say, come at me, bro.
Bro, sorry. Oh, 15 for the pair.
Sure.
Okay. Okay, so 35 altogether. Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, no garage sale here next year, I take it?
Yeah.
Buy these in the Dutch,
true.
like he's from Holland.
Oh,
These are the actual beer size mugs. This is what they drink from.
really? What's the percentage in their beer?
What's the percentage in your beer? What's your alcohol percentage in beer over there? It's the growth.
Oh, I'm just wondering because the glasses are so tiny that.
This is the beer glass.
Yeah. Look at that.
Well, that's not enough.
Yeah. Boy, you'd have to get your exercise going to get more, hey?
Guess we're gonna load this stuff and then
Do you think you can carry that with one hand?
that?
Yeah. Is the machine in it? Nope. Yeah,
Okay.
you can. We're just discussing if we can carry it with one hand, but the machine's not in it, so. Oh no, we'll be fine. Oh, we gotta get it even here. Here. I think we're good. Thank you so much, though. Have a good
I just don't
day.
want to, if it tips, I can't.
No, it won't. It's perfect. No machine. There's a car coming. Is he okay.
Yeah, he's gonna stop for us. Thanks.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Fill the truck Friday. Hey?
Yes, the truck is full.
I don't know why I keep opening this door.
I think this one can go in there.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Well, it looks like this thing slid a bit. So, should we just have this upright?
I think we should lay it on its back.
Okay. As long as the drawers don't slide all the way through, because sometimes they do.
Yeah, this one wants to. Oh no.
No, okay. Okay, hold on here. You got it? Is it in?
I can't get past the wheel well there. There we go. Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna move this a bit.
Are we good?
Yep. Nice. Let's get it home.
All right.
Wow. Well, I'm glad we did come to this.
Yeah. Bought a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I really like that little metal. I think I'm gonna clear coat it, wash it and clear coat it so that it doesn't rust more on the outside. But
Okay.
it doesn't, because I'd like to have it inside. It's too small for outside.
It is nice though, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Plant some. Oh, you're gonna have to turn around.
Yeah, I'm following the GPS.
Oh, okay. Do you know where home is from here?
Nope. I got it plugged into the Gippus.
So we're in the south end,
I
and
don't
then
have to know where home is.
Albert. Well, you should though.
I got a GPS.
What if you didn't? So, yeah, go
But I
left
do.
here.
Then I would use my phone.
What if you didn't have that?
Then I would just drive around aimlessly without asking for directions like a real man.
Yeah. Being jailed for something you didn't do is like terrifying to me. And also
Yeah.
spelunking.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Cave.
Oh, cave, when they crawl through those little spots.
The gaps.
Oh.
No thanks.
And then
I like living.
when I watch those shows where somebody gets stuck in there and I'm like, oh my god, how horrifying.
Or like that movie, As Above, So Below.
I know.
Oh,
Terrifying.
no.
No. Keep going around in circles and
Wife abuse jokes are funny.
you're too frail.
What are you talking about?
If you
I'm
punched
just
me,
bench pressing 185 pounds.
if you punched me, your wrist would break. That's that's what I'm talking about. You can lift a lot. I'm surprised your wrists can do that. You must have them locked.
They are pretty tiny.
You're a delicate flower.
I am a delicate flower. Hey guys, thanks again for coming along with us on another great picking adventure. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up below. It really is a great way to support our channel, and it helps push this video out to people who may not know about us yet. And as always, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button. We're on a push to get to 10,000 subscribers this year. I know that is a lofty goal for us. We might not make it, but if we are going to make it, it's definitely going to be with your help. Share this video on social media, tell your friends about us, and we'll see you next time. Love you guys. On to the next.